were invited to the first, or I don't know about the first, but the Igbo Congress that held in New Jersey. And after the lecture, President Buhari had a lecture, and I was there. We went, 4 of us. And one young man asked President Buhari, will you support an Igbo presidency? It wasn't within the context of the paper. And the man said no. And I almost pissed in my pants because we were building to 2007. And the boy said, but why? He said, here is why. Here is why. He said, when Zik of Africa earned the name of Zik of Africa, Nelson Mandela was going to school. Zik, with the money of West African pilots, sent Kwame Nkrumah to school. Zik was Zik for Africa, Zik for the world, not Zik of Nigeria. And he's an Igbo man. And he went down all the way to Opara and all of them, and said how great they were as politicians, including his running mate at the time, Oyi, whom he has chosen by himself, because he's Igbo man. And he showed somebody sitting down at the front row, who was Philip Emeagwali, if the name is correct. He produced the fastest processor computer in the world at that time, and he was Igbo man. He named the name of someone who was at the time in ECN, Electricity Corporation of Nigeria, who was an Igbo man, whose during his tenure, there was no one single blink of light. An Igbo man. He had said all of those great things that the Igbo had done to the politics of Nigeria, to the liberation movement, to our own freedom, to our own independence, and what they have continued to do. And he said, furthermore, they are the only tribe that are on every single polling unit in the country today. They're the only ones. So it demonstrates their belief in Nigeria. Because they're all over the place. They're all over the place. And on purpose, without coercion, he named 2 Igbo men to be his vice presidential candidates. The Muhammadu and the Oyi. And he's on his way to making the 3rd. When I drove him to the house of Senator Ben in Apple, legislators, to plead with Ken Enamani to be his 3rd running mate for the 3rd consecutive time, because he believes that these people have the capacity to do so. And he went on and on naming people by name and what they had done for the country, which I have forgotten. But we have the records. And he said, but instead of this huge population of believers of Nigeria who are in every single polling unit, to understand what Oyi had said and what Zik himself has said, to extend their hands across the Niger to the Yorubas or across Benue to the houses where the population is, and make huge political alliance and negotiate and take over power. They had resigned themselves in asking for another country, Biafra. He said, if today the Igbo people will ask for Nigeria, I, Muhammadu Buhari, will be the first person to cast my vote for them, because I had done it 3 times, twice with Oyi, once with Oyi, and second with Emeagwali, and I was on my way to making it the 3rd time with Ken Enamani. But if they ask for Biafra, then I will insist on Nigeria, and that will be the dividing line.